Well, the good news as far as death taxes is that while there can be state inheritance taxes, and some states still have these death taxes at the state level, in Louisiana we no longer have a Louisiana inheritance tax. So the one that we worry about in Louisiana is primarily dealing with the federal estate tax. That tax, it's been all over the board, throughout my career. There was a time not that long ago, believe it or not, where you could only pass $600,000 worth of assets before you would incur a tax. So when we meet with families, it's one of the things, of course, they're always concerned with is, how do we protect them from taxes? Well, the good news is that at least for this year, the exemption is $5,430,000 for 2015. So, and that's per spouse. So if you're married, you can pass almost $11 million free of the estate tax. So for a lot of clients, obviously, they're not going to have to worry about the death tax. But if you're growing your business, if you already have a mature business where you're doing substantial revenue, if you have oil and gas and real estate interests, whatever it might be, it can be devastating because unfortunately the IRS, they don't want your boat company. They don't want your real estate. They won't take it. What they want is cash, and they want that cash within 9 months of date of death. So people that know me know that one of my passions and hobbies is the Miami Dolphins, and I've loved the team since I was a kid. And the Joe Robbie family used to own the team, and it used to be Joe Robbie Stadium. And the whole reason that the Robbie family no longer owns it is that they had to try to do some planning, because otherwise, if he would have died owning that team, again, the IRS needs cash within 9 months. How do you raise that much cash? And the answer is you have to do a fire sale. So if you're a real estate developer, we got to go sell a bunch of real estate in order to get the cash to pay the tax. For those few clients, and it's a very small percentage, but for those people that are above 10 million or will be above 10 million, it is critical that you go see a qualified attorney that has a lot of experience in working with high net worth families. We can set up some base planning that can protect you so that it's possible to actually defer the tax until both the husband and wife have died. And then from there, there's all of these advanced planning tools that we can use to try to protect your wealth from that 40% death tax.